everybody. So this is what we're dealing with right now. It's Black Friday morning, about 5:30, and we have 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, and my poles are bent, my top's coming off, most of our trees are down, so we're definitely not opening tomorrow. Only if, hopefully we can open this weekend if we get the tent company out here to fix this. And I can't even go out there to see how bad it really is. I'm sorry, you guys. All of our locals, I apologize. You guys know what the weather's been like lately. And they just extended the wind warning out until about 11. Latest 2 o'clock. Dang, look at that bent pole back there. We're camping a tree lot. It's not always roses. It's like a lot of damage control. But we'll get it back up and running. Everybody be safe out there, and hope you guys had a happy Thanksgiving. Stay tuned. I'll post another video later to kind of show you guys what it looks like. Later.